Hey guys, it's Michael, and I have a real quick video here that'll hopefully save you a lot of frustration because I just went through a lot of it myself. This is how you install the drawers into the Realspace Magellan desk. And the instructions aren't real clear on this. These are just pictorials. There's no written instructions. So you may miss this little detail. You'll notice that the rail has a tab on the front and it's open in the back, and that's the part that inserts into the rails that are in the desk itself. Now this drawer is incorrect because that tab is at the back. So you will never be able to get this drawer into the desk because of that tab. So what you have to do is just take it apart, move this to the back, move this to the front, put it back together again, and then you can see the open part here will then be at the back where it's supposed to be, and it'll look like this. And that is how you put the drawers together, and that will enable you to very easily put them into the desk. One last tip: when you insert them, make sure these sliders are all the way into the desk on both sides, and then just carefully position the track of the drawer that you want to insert onto each side right in the beginning here, and just slowly push it in equally right in the middle. And here's another tip. If once you get your drawers in, you find that the bottom drawer is hitting the bottom edge of the top drawer, all you need to do is go in and adjust the drawer. You just need to loosen up all four of these screws, and then you do have a little bit of play in how far up or down this can go. And then in my case, I had to lower it all the way, and then I just tightened it back up again. That's it. Hope this helps you out. Have a great day.